Hey everybody, it's Brian again. So we had a guest appearance of the CEO today. She came out to help with some of the yard cleanup. Now I let the dandelions go wild in my yard, especially in the early spring, because they're the first source of food for bees, and I'm trying to have healthy bees around me. So we let them go, but at this point, the dandelions are mostly spent, and we've got a lot of other flowers that have come out. We've got primrose, we've got strawberries, we've got lavender, some of the key lime pie is starting to flower as well. So we're at a point now where we can take these out. Looking at this area, this was all planted last fall. Most of it survived through the winter, although some of the Kaluna that I planted did brown out and die off. It's not totally unexpected. I wasn't sure if anything was going to grow over here because this was a grass area and Luna, our dog, used it quite a bit. So the soil was not great, but most of this stuff has survived. I moved the canna lilies over here as well. Those are all shooting up and doing really well. This is also where I've put a few additional Musa bass Jews. If you're interested in learning how you can grow tropical and subtropical plants in your cold weather environment, give us a like and a subscribe and follow along. Thanks and happy growing.